Looking to turn your AI concepts into professional assets? Welcome to my professional workflow for converting AI-generated images into scalable vector illustrations. It starts with perfect prompt by analyzing your script or business datasets to draft precise AI reference. Next, I bring AI artwork into Photoshop, define essential structures, and prepare image for professional tracing. Then, the real craft begins. Using Adobe Illustrator, I manually recreate every path. No auto-trace shortcuts, just clean, scalable, and perfectly organized geometry built for any size. Finally, I bring it all to life.